How to copy story link on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to copy story link on Facebook. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and open the story you want to copy the story link of. I will open my own story, but the process for copying link for someone else's story is also the same. So once you have opened the story, tap on the three dots you see on the top right of your screen. You will then see the option for copy link to share this story. Tap on that, and with this, your story link will be copied to your clipboard. Now, go ahead and paste it anywhere you want. I will paste it in my browser, and as you can see, the link has been copied successfully. So this is how you can copy story link on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.